Obsidian Flames, last pack, Walmart Blister Magic. Here we go. And this is gonna be a great blister. I think this thing was $11.99, and we're gonna get just amazing stuff out of this. That card right there. Okay, let's remain calm. Here we go. Basic energy, and we get a Charmander. Firepower. Dratini, Oddish, Swablu, that's a Doug Trio, a Houndstone, a Diggersby, and here we go. We're going to get a Thunderous on the reverse foil. We're going to get a matching Swablu to our Swablu base. Let me pull that out. There we go. Swablu on the reverse. And we're going to slow walk this other one. Let's slow walk it. It's 156 out of 197. It's a double rare. It's an EX. And it's a Revavroom. Revavroom, not a full art, but Cosmic Foil. Cosmic Foil. Revavroom EX. 156 out of 197 on Obsidian Flames.